CET. Enzymatic Oral Hygiene Chews for Petite dogs. Combines natural antiseptic activity with abrasive action for clinically proven plaque control. Exclusive Dual-Enzyme System eliminates plaque-forming bacteria. Made using select beefhide. Give your dog at least one chew daily to reduce plaque and calculus. Please read all label information on delivery. Give your dog at least one chew daily, or as directed by your veterinarian, to reduce plaque and calculus. The oral hygiene benefit of CET. Enzymatic oral hygiene chews can only be achieved by adequate chewing action. Gulping whole chews will reduce the efficacy and can be harmful to your dog. This product is intended for intermittent or supplemental feeding only. As with any pet product not intended for human consumption, please keep out of the reach of children and wash hands after handling. Guaranteed analysis: Petite, under 11 pounds, 5 kilograms. Crude protein minutes, 75.0%. Crude fat minutes, 1.0%. Crude fiber, max, 8.0%. Moisture, max, 14.0%. Guaranteed analysis: medium 11 to 25 pounds, 5 to 11 kilograms, large 26 to 50 pounds, 12 to 23 kilograms, extra large 51 plus pounds, 23 plus kg. Crude protein minutes, 75.0%. Crude fat minutes, 1.0%. Crude fiber, max, 3.5%. Moisture, max, 16.0%. Ingredients: beefhide, dextrose, poultry digest, hydrolyzed vegetable protein, primary dried yeast, potassium sorbate, glucose oxidase, aspergillus niger, dried whey protein concentrate.